Yo, what is up, guys? So, June of 2026 marks my 6.5 years of actually doing search based YouTube automation. Now, I do have a main channel, and then I've over the years had side projects, side channels that have generated me some good income as well. But in this particular video, I'm just going to be showing you my 6 year journey on the channel you're probably familiar with, that I demonstrate and showcase onto this channel. So 6.5 years, that's a long time to be doing search-based YouTube automation. When I first got started, there was pretty much no one teaching how to do search-based YouTube automation. But what I did, it was back in 2020, was looking for another way to actually make money online, and I wanted to do YouTube, but I didn't want to do like a personal brand or like trying to chase viral videos. I knew about ranking videos and how to rank videos. And I thought that was very powerful because you could build a catalog of videos and they could work for you. So I came across in my research in 2020 this channel right here called Howfinity. And this was like the inspiration channel that I took inspiration from. And when I first found them, they were getting about 3 to 5 million views every single month. And I thought that was great. If I could build a channel that just gets 1 million views per month, then I could be earning a couple $1,000s per month passively through YouTube. And I did actually go ahead and achieve that on this one channel and on my other channel as well through affiliate marketing, but I won't show you that channel in this video. So I came across this channel, I went to the videos, and this was exactly what I was looking for in my research: how-to videos. Okay, so they are obviously doing something a little bit different now, but I came across like how to create a professional LinkedIn, how to quickly verify your LinkedIn account, and YouTube automation wasn't really a thing, and people weren't teaching this stuff. So I kind of had to just start, and that's what I did. I created a channel from scratch. I didn't buy a pre-monetized channel. I started from 0 subscribers and just started uploading 2 how-to videos every single day. So that was my inspiration channel, and that was great. So I had a starting point, but then I had to learn like the how to find the topics. I had to come across the search bar method many years ago and things like that. So if I actually go into the analytics of my YouTube channel right now, this is May 1st to May 31st of 2020. Okay, just 7 views. So that's nothing. That's basically just getting started. So I'll go from May, and then let's see what I did in June. Okay, and I have taken a lot of breaks on this channel. So here I uploaded in June 2020 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos and got 157 views. So if you're just starting out on your YouTube search based journey, don't get discouraged if you upload 5 videos or 6 videos and see less than 200 views. Okay, so we can go now to the next month. Let's go to July 2020. Okay, and then click apply. So you can see things are starting to get better in here. The consistency that of my uploads are getting better, almost a video a day right here. And then I generated 588. But now let's fast forward a little bit. So we go July 2020, August, September, October 2020. Let's go to October 2020 and see how many views I got. So there you can see it's much better. As you continue to upload, the consistency fell off a little bit there, but it's still 4.7k views on a brand new channel. Okay, so now I'm gonna fast forward like in 3-month increments. So November, December, January 1st 2021. Okay, so now we're into 2021 and I'm not monetized yet. I'm not getting good views. And right here was some sort of success that I got with the channel, 72.8 thousand subscribers. So that's looking good. So now we can go into like the next 3 months, February, March, April of 2021. And then click apply. Okay, so it did actually drop. So but you can see the consistency is always there on my particular channel. So if you are uploading and only see 60,000 views after many months of doing your search based YouTube automation, don't quit. You just need to continue. Okay, because now if I go to May, I'm not too sure the month that I got monetized. Let's take a look at May. Okay, so now you can see in May I got 186,000 views, and the consistency was also really nice. 367,000 subscribers. So now at this point in May 2021, I'm getting close to monetization. You can see there like 12,000 views in a day, 12,000 views in a day. So let's go to the next month. I think I got monetized in June 2021. So you can see the journey of getting monetized from a brand new channel is really, really long. You just need to stay consistent and keep uploading. So you can see here 275,000 views generated in June 2021, and I made my first money on YouTube with this channel, $584. Now, at this point, YouTube automation wasn't really a big thing. I didn't know about outsourcing videos. I didn't know about building a team. I just knew if I stayed consistent and uploaded about a video every other day and then some more on other days, I would start growing this. And now I achieved $500 and was pretty much passive from this point on. So that's good. So now we can see how we progress month to month from June 2021. So we go to July 2021, and then we can click apply. So 275, and then we got 217. Okay, so that dropped a little bit, but let's go 3 months later now. So now we're in October of 2021, and let's see how we did. So as you can see, now we're generating 261, but the revenue actually went up $645. So this was pretty much all profit. I was keeping like all this money because I wasn't paying for any sort of videos or outsourcing or doing anything. So this was great. I found my niche. I knew exactly what to do now, but at this point in October 2021, my keyword research was still lacking a bit. I needed to learn a lot more when it came to keyword research. So we can fast forward a couple of months right now. Let's go to February 2022. Okay, that's a short month, but we're now 3 months from this point and it's still 191. So the channel is kind of falling off a bit, and this is the point where a lot of people will actually quit their YouTube search-based automation channel and say it doesn't really work, but you just need to. And you can also see the uploads kind of fell off a little bit, but you just have to keep on going. So now we can fast forward another 3 months, getting into May 2022. And obviously at some point I did start to outsource, and now you can see 307,000 views and almost $1,000 in estimated revenue every single month, getting like 13,000 views in a day. And you can see the estimated revenue now was like getting nice. It was $43, $35, and so on. So that then just by staying consistent, I broke through the plateau and I was able to break through and get some more success. So let's see how we did about 3 months later, because I did get this channel to a point like 1.1 million to 1.4 million views, and now we got 437,000 and 20,000 views in a day and 1.1k. So it's looking really, really good now. All those videos started to pay off, and now we're starting to scale. So now we're going from August 1st, and in November the results were about the same. So let's go into 2023 right now. So I want to go to February of, let's just go to a normal month, March 2023, and see how we did. So I'm clicking the wrong buttons here. March 1st to March 31st, 2023. So you can see here now what happened, still about the same result. Okay, so you just got to keep uploading, and that's the lesson in this video, is that you just got to keep on going. So we're going to go a couple months later. Let's go to July 2023. And now you'll notice here things are looking really good. 900,000 views in a month, 1.9k. So if we go to like the daily views is getting nice, like 33,000 daily views in a day. The income was looking good, about almost $80 every single day. So my goal was actually to get to $100 per day with this channel, and we hit a couple of days over 100, but 70 to 80 is still pretty good. So let's go to now September 2023, and click apply. And this is the point where I reached the 1.1 million around September of 2023. $22,700 in the month, getting like there's $104 day, there's 98, so pretty much $100 per day with the channel at this point. And the views were looking good too at like 40,000 per day. So I went from zero subscribers, 0 hours of watch time, and I was able to build it up to 1.1 million views and almost $3,000 in monthly recurring revenue every single month, just by staying consistent and following what works. And obviously over the years I got better and better, and this is the result that I got at this point. And then you know about my story where I took a break on the channel and all the views dropped, but I'm now building back up to this point right now, and I'm documenting that journey too. So search-based YouTube automation can be quite a lot to learn, but I have got a community called Search Makers, which you can visit at the first link in the description of this video. This is a community that I developed, and we do like weekly calls every single week to help you out with the training and get all your questions answered. And if you actually go to the classroom, I've got the Search Mastery course right here, where you can learn everything related to how to actually start this business and grow your business doing search-based YouTube automation. And then if I go back to the classroom, we got the weekly call recordings. Okay, we just kicked off the first weekly call yesterday, and that recording's now in the community. So if you want to get access to all of this for just $7 per month, you can click the first link in the description of the video, and I hope to have you as a premium member. Now, if you got value from my journey and how I explained it in this video, like the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.